On the certificate, we have 3 assessed assignments. The first 2 are the individual assignments, the analysis paper and the strategic action plan. This is where the sustainability challenge or opportunity comes in. And the third one is the group project. And this is a research project that the students work on in groups, approximately 6-7 students per group, under the supervision of their supervisor. And together, these 3 components have equal weight. So the average of these 3 components forms the average mark that they will then complete their certificate with. The certificate has 2 different workshops, 4 days in length each, and that will be at a location at the University of Cambridge, and it will give them a really beautiful residential experience where they see a lot of the university and its history as well.
So in a typical day at the workshop, students wake up not too early, but relatively early. They have a nice breakfast, and then we normally start the proper sessions around 9 or 9:30. And what they get during the day is a mix of traditional lectures, group work, individual slots with tutors, and then some sessions that are like in smaller groups, so it's a bit more interactive and a mix of lecture and interactive discussion that happens in between. And then in the evenings we tend to have informal or more formal social events to support networking.